Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to integrate your Shopify store with Clickbank in 2025. So if you want to sell the products through Clickbank while managing your store on Shopify, here is exactly how to set it up. So first of all, you will have to come on clickbank.com and then log in into your account. Once you are in your account, simply click on the accounts tab in the left hand section and then click on your nickname. Now, once this tab is done, you will be landed in your marketplace where you will see a bunch of different options in the top like dashboard, reporting, account settings. So among these options, you will have to click on the vendor settings option, then select the option of my products. Now, after clicking on my products, you will see this type of page in front of you where you need to basically add a new product. You need to provide the product details like the name, category, and pricing, and you need to make sure that you choose the web activated option as the delivery method. So once you add your Shopify thank you page URL in the thank you page section, this is where the customers will go after your purchase. So Clickbank requires the approval for each of the products. So once you submit your product, you will have to wait for the confirmation. Make sure that your product page return policy and delivery process follow Clickbank's guideline. So once your Clickbank product is approved, you can go to the Clickbank dashboard here and you can get the purchase link for your product. Afterwards, you can just simply add that product in your Shopify store and you can add it in the buy button link. Clickbank checkout URL, so the users then directly taken to the Clickbank to complete the purchases. For advanced features, you can also come on zapier.com and sign up for a free account. Then you can connect Clickbank with Shopify with the help of Zapier, and you can manage both of these with the help of the Zapier dashboard. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.